Okay guys, this is my 2019 Nissan Frontier Pro4x, as you can see. Brand new. I got probably not even 100 miles on it yet. Go out and walk around. I put window shades on, I guess they're called. They're on the windows. But yeah, you can see it's a brand new truck. One other thing though, the underneath is going to be so clean. This is going to be an easy install, hopefully. Well, you can see, it's brand new. Woot. Got my tires. Let me get this put away. And there's my tires. If you notice, there's only 3. Looks like probably FedEx lost them, or I don't know. But there they are. There's 3 of them. They're supposed to be getting me the other one. I got rims coming on the way. What else? I got the Rough Country 6-inch lift kit. That's at home. Once I get it home, I'll take a video of that too and post it along with this. But luckily I'm a technician and I have my own garage to do this. So it should be easy money here. And also, I've noticed there's really no videos here on YouTube describing the install. So I'm hoping to hopefully get a step-by-step install, and I'll show you guys. I'll post that also. But I do know one thing on the instruction list. It says, well, they have you starting with the front. But the front's going to be probably a 5-6 hour job, and the back's probably an hour at the most. So I'm going to start with the back lift, the back 6-inch spacers, and the rest of it on the back first. Because being a 5-6 hour job up front, probably once I get done the front, I am not going to feel like working anymore on the back. So that's my logic anyway. Okay, I'll keep you posted, and also I'm doing this here at it's where I work, not a maker's garage up here in Linfield, Pennsylvania. So I'm going to do this, and if anybody has any interest in getting the lift installed, just leave a comments, and hopefully we can work things out. I'm gonna have to charge. I mean, that's just the way it is, especially for a 6-8 hour job. We can discuss that here at a later date. But okay, I need to get finish getting rotors on this Honda here. Funny, because it had hot spots. On every rotor had a lot of hot spots, and he was complaining. So I put, well, I'm in the middle of putting rotors on. I got the back done. I still got to do the front. But that's it, guys. I'll continue this at home. I'm going to open each box at home and show you what the contents are, and we will take it from there. So thank you guys, and I'll be posting more videos on this 2019 Nissan Frontier 6-inch rough country lift install. Thanks guys, later.